A for apple. Apple means seb. B. B for ball. Ball means gend. C. C for cat. Cat means billy. D. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F. F for fish. Fish means machli. G. G for goat. Goat means bakri. H. H for horse. Horse means ghoda. I. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J. J for jug. Jug means jug. K. K for kite. Kite means patang. L. L for lion. Lion means sher. M. M for mango. Mango means aam. N. N for nest. Nest means ghosla. O. O for orange. Orange means santara. P. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. Q. Q for queen. Queen means rani. R. R for rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. S. S for sun. Sun means suraj. T. T for tiger. Tiger means bagh. U. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhata. V. V for van. Van means gaadi. W. W for watch. Watch means ghadi. X. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree means Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Z. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.